Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going over an unboxing, kind of first look at a pressure washer I picked up from Greenworks. I ordered this on Amazon. The price is going to range anywhere from around $80 to $110, just depending on who you buy it from and if it's on sale or anything like that. This is the Greenworks GPW 1501. This is the instruction manual. Then they're going to include a quick start guide, how to assemble everything, but it's pretty self-explanatory on how this thing goes together. And then also included in that book is this little pin, and this is going to be for if, let's say, you're running your water through this and you don't have the best water in your city or wherever you're at, and you might get some calcium buildup in the nozzle or anything like that. You can use this to clear that out and open it back up. Other than that, I picked this up for car detailing and some stuff around the house. I can clean the driveway, the brick on the house, lawn furniture, anything like that. So it's very versatile. I mainly picked it up for car detailing, but it's still going to be useful around the house as well. Other than that, this is, I believe, one of the best sellers on Amazon, and a lot of people pick it up for car detailing. But one thing I noticed were a lot of people that picked it up for car detailing were disappointed that this wasn't laying down a lot of suds on their car. This is not a foam cannon or a foam blaster or anything like this. It's a simple soap solution that you put in here, and it's for like cleaning, screen doors and lawn furniture and stuff. It's going to apply a little bit of soap while you're spraying, and that's it. It's not going to lay down tons of suds or anything like that. So if you're going to get this for car detailing, don't expect this to be the best foam blaster for your car. Go ahead and pick one up. I'll be doing a couple reviews on the ones I have, and comparing them and giving you the prices and everything. But go ahead and pick up one. This is not going to be what you expect it to be for car detailing. They range anywhere from $15 to $100 depending on which one you get. You can get one that's middle of the line price, and it's going to be a great foam cannon like the two that I picked up. And stay tuned for those videos. Next up, you're going to see the high pressure hose over here, and you're going to get 20 feet of that. So a decent amount of high pressure hose. And then this is an electric pressure washer. This is not gas powered. It weighs roughly 17 pounds, so it's very easy to carry around. It's lightweight, good for mobile work. This one can lay vertical or horizontal. Also, you can get this with a real handle and everything on it. It's going to cost a little bit more. You get the reel. There's another model with built-in soap tanks on it. Those are obviously going to run a little bit more. I don't need any of that. That's not a big deal to me. This is a great price, and it's exactly what I need. It's 1500 PSI, so it's great for, work around the house as well as car detailing. It's perfect for foam cannons and foam blasters and stuff like that. It's got plenty of power to push lots of suds through that, or water pressure through that, so that's good. It also is going to include a 25 and a 40 degree nozzle, and they are quick connect, and they're just in here by a rubber grommet that holds it in the side of the machine. The 25 is going to be your higher pressure, and then the 40 is most likely what I will be using on car detailing. It's a little less on the high pressure side. I mean, it's still got really good pressure, but it's more delicate, or for more delicate work. Here you have the on-off switch. When you first get it and you hook it up to water, make sure to leave it off and unplugged and run water through it for about 30 seconds just to kind of clear the air out of the system and everything. And then you can go ahead and plug it in and turn it on. And it's only going to run when you squeeze the handle. It's not going to be constantly running, and it's not that loud. So that's good. They do have a quick start guide here up on the top just in case you don't know how to do that. On the back side, you're going to get 35 feet of cord with an Inline Gfci. So that's nice. Lots of cord there. And you can hang it over the back or over this handle if you would like. Then you got a couple cubbies back here to hold your wand and everything. So this is the gun, and you simply, here you can kind of see what this all looks like, and you kind of put it in, push and twist, and now it's together, and it's got that quick connect on the end. Here's where your line will run in to the gun, the high pressure line to the actual pressure washer, and then your hose will go in here on the side. And it is a screen filter, and there's also a screen filter in your soap dispenser and everything, so that's good. So we'll be putting this to the test in the next video, where I start detailing my cars with all the products that I've picked up that I'm going to show you guys, so stay tuned for that. But I think for roughly $80 and on the higher side $110, this is a really good pressure washer for what it is. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. If there's anything that you would like answered, if you have any questions about it or anything like that, please just drop it down in the comments, and stay tuned for this thing in use. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment down below of your thoughts, or if you have this unit, let me know what you think of it. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.